Now third problem, which of the following relations are equivalence relation? What is the set here? Z. Z means what? Set of integers. And what is the relation? Each option given different kinds of relation. Here equal relation, here greater than or equal, here each divided by, here less than. We will check it first this. Equivalence means three relations it must satisfy. Reflexive, symmetric, transitive. So here observe, R4 is the relation is less than. Okay, what is the reflexive? Every element related to itself. Element must take from integers. So you take it a 3. Is 3 belongs to R? Means if 3 comma 3 is in R, 3 must be less than 3. But is it possible? 3 is equal to 3, but 3 is not a less than 3. So that's why it is a wrong answer. Next. Shall we go next? Next one is, so that's why no need to check remaining. This is x is divided by y. What is a reflexive relation? Every element is related to itself. Means x comma x is in R or not? X comma x is in R. What is the meaning of it? X is divided by x. Yes or no? Every element is divided by that element. No. 2 divided by 2. So that's why definitely it is okay. Reflexive only. But see, for each and every element in Z I said. But in Z, do you have 0? Yes, you have. Is 0 is divided by 0? No. No division by rule. So that's why it is also not a equivalence. Means it's not satisfies reflexive. For x greater than or equal to y. What is meant by reflexive? Reflexive means every element is related to itself. Is x greater than or equal to x? Yes, x greater than or equal to x. Right only. Okay, either greater or equal, any one of the relation satisfies enough. అంటే గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు అంటే ఏంది? ఎక్స్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ అయినా ఓకే, లేదు అంటే ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ అయినా ఓకే. ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ అయింది కదా, సో డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిఫ్లెక్సివ్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ సిమెట్రిక్? 2 greater than 1. One ordered pair you take it. 2 comma 1 belongs to R. Means what? 2 greater than 1. Is 1 greater than 2? No, 1 is not a greater than 2. So that's why it is not a symmetric. Symmetric కాలేదు అంటే రిమైనింగ్ చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదుగా. ఫర్ ఈక్వివాలెన్స్ 3 మస్ట్ బి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ అబ్జర్వ్. డూ యూ నో వాట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ వన్? mod x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు mod y. ఓకేనా? R1 relation, mod x is equal to mod y. Do you know what is meant by mod x? Whether you take x value, positive value or negative value, definitely you will get a positive only. That is called modulus. So now observe. First, is x1 related to x1? Then it is a symmetric. x1 means it is a element in R1, not R1, Z. x1 is the element in Z. అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక ఇంటీజర్ తీసుకోండి. 5 you take it. Is 5 related to 5 or not? అంటే ఏంది? mod 5 value 5 only, mod 5 value again 5 only. So it is related to itself. So that's why it is definitely reflexive. Okay, next you check it. Symmetric. Symmetric means 3 comma minus 3 is in R or not. You have to check it. You have to take it. 3 comma minus 3 is in R because both are integers now. Possible ordered pairs all you have to take it. ప్రతి పాసిబుల్ ఆర్డర్డ్ పేర్ తీసుకోవాలి. 3 comma minus 3 is in R or not? Check it. In R only, no, because mod 3 value 3, mod minus 3 also 3 only. Now reverse it. Means minus 3 comma 3. Reverse it. Again, is it in R or not? Yes, because definitely mod minus 3 and mod 3 both are same. So that's why it is symmetric. Definitely it is symmetric. So symmetric and reflexive both are over. Next we have to take it. Third one is transitive. Transitive means 3 elements must take it. So the possible elements must take it. Minus 3 comma 3. Minus 3 comma 3 is in R or not? Yes, it is in R. Because mod minus 3 and mod 3 both are same. And second ordered pair we must be same. The second ordered pair of the second element in first ordered pair must be same in first ordered pair in second, first element in second ordered pair. Clear? అంటే ఇంకోటి మనం పాసిబుల్ ఆర్డర్డ్ పేర్ ఏం తీసుకుంటాం 3 కామా మైనస్ 3 మస్ట్ టేక్ ఇట్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఆర్. నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్ ఇట్ 3 కామా మైనస్ 3 కామా మైనస్ 3 ఈజ్ ఇన్ ఆర్ ఆర్ నాట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్? డూ యూ నో? మైనస్ 3 కామా 3 ఈజ్ ఇన్ ఆర్ ఇన్ నాట్. హౌ కెన్ యూ చెక్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్? mod minus 3 and mod minus 3 both must be same. Yes, both are same or not. So definitely it satisfies 3 conditions. So that's why it is equivalence relation. Nice. Next problem. Observe here. R is a relation over the set of real numbers and it is given mn greater than or equal to 0.
And after